My original plan was to take you through my design process step by step, but the reality is that we've already learned all the skills that you need to put together an awesome app. What I'd like to do now is give you an example so that you have a starting point to create something on your own. The first principle that we talked about was make it clean. You can do that by keeping a couple of things in mind. First, keep things aligned. Each of these squares represents a QlikView object. There's nothing that really jumps out and says, hey, I'm out of place. If we move some of the objects just a pixel or two, you'll see a completely different picture of cleanliness. It now sends a message that you don't really care enough to do your best and you've lost your audience. To make sure that you keep things aligned, use the X and Y position boxes on the Caption tab. The X position is the number of pixels from the left side of your sheet. The Y position is the number of pixels from the top. Always use a header and footer on your apps. Generally, you want to use your company's logo and a title in your header, and the logo and some legal information in the footer. If you're unsure what to do, you can always ask the marketing department for some company standards. And now for your app's navigation. I like to put my list boxes and a KPI object along the left, and the date and search objects right underneath the header. It keeps things logically grouped and contained. The space in the middle is where you get all your work done. Charts and tables go here. Put it all together and you'll create something that you're proud to publish. Your business users will start clicking around, and then they'll be amazed at how easy it is to use and how much new insight they'll gain into the business. Finally, my last advice about design. Don't straight up copy somebody else's stuff. If you've gotten this far, I definitely trust you to build something awesome.